Hi, wanna to see how to let me go here and wanna see how to create this user site made with Flask. And from my blog here I have posted here how to do it, and but I want to make this video and do it live, if you can say so. Let's go to glitch.com, not here, but not in the edit, but just in the project. You see, here is my page, my project, and I think this is the one. I remixed it from someone from glitch.com, and there it is. This is my sites. I use this as a template for my sites, and this is built with Python 3. I have called it Python 3 8. So let's see the project, its source, and there it is. There are very few files to look at, and there is this Python database. This is not was just an experiment here to create a database. You don't need this. And there is this, but I want to create a new one, so with fewer things, that you are it will be easier for you to implement Python into your own project. So let's call this one Python 3 Flask. I like it. So there it is. What we're gonna do, we're gonna follow my blog, and we're gonna need the requirements.txt. um, I don't know this. I won't need this. I won't delete this. I don't need this. Yeah, and index HTML. I think. Let me delete this too. And there is this readme file, and let's change this. Let's welcome to glitch.com. Use Python 3 and Flask on glitch.com. You need requirements.txt with just Flask. So let's create this file. Requirements.txt, and we just have to write here Flask. Let's see if there is an error or something in the toolbar, in the logs. You are using pip version. Okay. Sure, consider to install. I think we could do this in the console. Maybe. Pip is unlock. Great, pip. And there is an error now. User option for permission. Okay, it's successfully installed. Now I got an error. Let me see what this is. Okay, we need a start.age. Okay, and instead of this, we are going to new file. We want to call it glitch.json. Okay, into this file, we're gonna put some data here, and as I don't want to write everything we need in this file, I'm going to take them into my Python 3-8.glitch.me, or better this one, and I wanna copy and paste it from here. You can do it too. And go in the package.json. Here is all the things that we need. I think at least that is this. I got different versions, so I'm not sure. Let me check in my blog and to see, because I got different version. Okay, this is the one that you better go and take this one into my blog, copy it, and now I'm gonna go here, delete everything and paste it. Now let me see, server pi. Now we can't open because we have put the server.py here as a start, as a file that is required. So let's add a new file, server.py. Here is where Python comes, because this is the glitch.json is just made to as a configuration files to start Python 3, and then we need to start the server. So to start the server, let's go into my instruction always here, and this is all we need. We need to import Flask from Flask, and to start an instance of Flask, and then run the app, run the server through this app.run, right? And this is the page that will be that we will see in our server. So let's go from Flask, import Flask. Then we initialize our app, that is Flask, and with the name, under name. Then we should do, let me see if I got always an error here. Let me see what happens if I start this. Okay, let me just app.run. Okay, not found. The requested URL is not found. So let's make this app.root decorator, and there. Then we got define our home page, and in the home page we will return hello world. There it is. Now it works. We made our Flash application and then run our server and send to the server our hello world to show. So that's all you need to make it. You can use some HTML here and make this an header for maybe, or maybe, yes, there it is, hello world. And you can also use a template, and so instead of putting here your code, you can create a new file into template/template.html. Okay, and here you are gonna build your page, or copy and paste the template if you got it yet. Let me put a body here, and let me put an header for hello, welcome to my page. And let's go here. Here it's nothing has changed because we need to go in the server here, and here we get to, let me put in, okay, from Flask import render template, and here we're gonna return render templates.html, and let me check out a little bit here, and what is the error? Okay, I must change here the name of this folder here. Rename templates. Okay, now it works. I've just misspelled here welcome. Let me use H1 and H1, and let me center it. Okay, welcome to my page. And so that's how you can make your pages, and you can also do many other steps, like you can see into this file here. You see this is a more complicated way to make the page. Here is my home page with also variables that are passed to our template, and because here it is, not to our template but to the index HTML, because here I passed this index HTML, that is a page that is built with these templates, meaning that this is the base of all the pages, and so I don't have to write all these meta stuff here, links to for Bootstrap that I got here, other scripts. Here is also a something that I don't really use. I can cancel this, and that is for Google Ads. I don't need it. Okay, because it doesn't work on Glitch. And okay, you can then use this to insert into this the different pages, and maybe this I will explain this in another post. For now is everything. Okay, you've seen how easy it is to install Flask site on Glitch with Python.